my channel. My name is Alishia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today I want to thank UNice for sponsoring this video and sending over this wig to me. It is absolutely gorgeous and it took no time. The lace looks so freaking good, you guys, and it's still glueless. If you guys want to see me install this wig, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll leave that right here so you guys can follow me over there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get into this wig install. All right, you guys, we got another wig from UNice. They sent me this huge box this time though. I never had a box like this before. Should I be extra excited, y'all? It's a box inside of a box. Yes. Big UNice wig. All right, you guys, we've got our satin bag to store your wig. You need these to store your wig, you guys. Baby hair brush, 2 packs of wig cap, a melting band. All right, so what do we have today? So we have a Bye Bye Knots wig. It's a 7x5. It's 24 inches, Yaki Straight. I think this has a highlight in the front, like a money piece or something. But it's looking good, and we got some Bye Bye Knots stickers inside here too. Here is the wig. It actually has an ombre with some highlights in the front. It's really, really pretty. Oh, this hair feels so good. Here's a close-up on the lace. The lace is pre-plucked, pre-cut, pre-bleached. The knots look so good. All right, let's get into the wig. It's a 7x5, so 7 inches left to right, 5 inches deep. We have an adjustable elastic band. We have a drawstring in the back for extra security. A comb at the bottom back as well. Nice and spacious in here, and it's a breathable wig too. As you can see my fingers going through it. All right, I think I'm gonna wear this one straight. Yeah, I think I'm gonna wear this one straight in the middle part because I'm just loving these little highlighted pieces on the side. So yeah, so off camera, I'm gonna put some foundation on the lace, and then I'll show you guys me straightening this, and then I'll come back at the end with my final thoughts. But this baby looks absolutely gorgeous. It looks like it's gonna be super easy to install too because the lace is already ready for you. So this should be a real quick install, y'all. So beautiful. All right, I'll be right back. Gorgeous. She's already gorgeous. Gorgeous. Why are you so obsessed with me? Wow. This wig is fire. This wig is fire. All right, you guys, so I'm all finished styling the hair. I think I found my new everyday wig. Yes, I think she's going to be my new everyday wig because, excuse me, and she's glueless, y'all. She's glueless. I did not glue her down at all. She looks so stinking good. Straight out of the package. All I had to do was put some foundation on the lace. I straightened it a little bit. I did throw a little bit of layers right here in the front, just a little bit, just because I wanted a little bit of face framing, but nothing too extravagant at all. Yes, the hair looks so good. I love the ombre with the highlighted pieces in the front. Absolutely love it. I have my fan on, so it's giving diva fan right now, but it's just way too hot. It's way too hot in here. It looks absolutely gorgeous. I really love how it looks straight, so I'll probably be wearing it straight most of the time, but she looks so freaking good. The drawstring in the back has it so snug. I feel so secure with the wig on my head. Look at all the movement. The hair is 100% tangle free. There's been no tangling. I haven't got any shedding either. It just looks beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I really love the density on this wig. I'll put the density in the description box below somewhere because I'm not sure exactly what the density is, but the density of this wig is not too thick and it's not too thin, and I just think it's freaking perfect. But yes, as soon as I put this wig on, I was just immediately obsessed. Even with the kinks in it from the packaging, I just already knew I was going to love this wig. And it's 24 inches, and look how it goes all the way to like my hips. I'm sitting down, but it goes all the way to my hips. Like, that's crazy. Crazy. So anyway, I will have all the information to this wig in the description box. I'll have the direct link in there. I have the website in there so you guys can check out all the other wigs that they have. I am obsessed with this wig. I will be wearing this wig every day until the wheels fall off, you guys. I love it. I love it. It's so gorgeous. It's gorgeous. All right, make sure you guys drop a comment below. Let me know how you guys feel about this wig. Are you guys feeling it? Are you guys loving the highlights? You guys like the ombre? What do you guys think? Honestly, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I love the density on this wig. Like, it's not too, I love that it's not too thick. It's like so manageable. Like, it's not too much hair at all, especially with it being Yaki Straight. It's not too thick, and I just love it. It's just, you can really do some things with this. Look at the parting. Look at the parting on this wig. It's crazy. You can do so many different styles with this wig, you guys. So make sure you guys check out the description box and check out that link, girl. Check out that link. All right, thank you everybody for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.